Hello my lovelies, I hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to solve for this problem where we are given with the triangle and the triangle contains three different boxes and it is mentioned that all of these boxes are square and we need to solve for the value of x here. So let's get started and see how we're gonna do that. We have this figure where all of the sides of the triangle are equal, thus it is an equilateral triangle and therefore the measure of each of the interior angle must be 60 degree. Now let's just focus here. For this triangle, let's just mark the base of this triangle as A. Now this side, which is the height of this triangle, would also be x as it is representing the side of the square only, so this is x. Now in this triangle, x upon a is equal to tan 60 and therefore x upon a is equal to root 3, and from here I'll be getting the value of a as root 3 x upon 3. Similarly, if we consider this triangle, let's just take the base of this triangle as b, then this side, which is the height of this triangle, would be 3x only because that is the side of the square only, right? Therefore, in this triangle, 3x upon b is equal to tan 60. We'll get 3x upon b is equal to root 3 and therefore b is going to be root 3x. Now we have this value of a, so therefore this side length would be root 3x upon 3. Similarly, we have the value of b, therefore this length would be root 3x. Now we will add all of these lengths together and equate it to 1. So we'll be getting root 3x plus this x plus 2x plus 3x and then plus root 3x, and we'll equate it to 1 centimeter. We'll be getting this expression, right? Combining the like terms, we'll get 6 plus 4 root 3 upon 3 into x equals to 1, and on further simplification we'll get this expression. Therefore the value of x is going to be 3 upon 18 plus 4 root 3. Now as the denominator contains an irrational number, we have to rationalize it, and on rationalizing we'll be getting the simplified answer as 9 minus 2 root 3 upon 46. So that's your answer for the value of x. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.